Iris family, super mama, and super cute puppies. One boy, one girl. They are so lovely, so cute. So lovely. One boy and one girl. They will be same size as mommy, about 20 kilo. And they will be active dogs. You can see mommy. She's protecting the area because Charlie's outside. She's checking the area. She's super active. Iris and her two babies. One girl, one boy. In about a month, they will be ready to be adopted. If you want to adopt any of them, send us a message. They are super cute. Iris puppies. Food time for them. Super cute family. They will be about 20 kilo. In about a month from now, they will be ready to be adopted. Iris family. And this is their little house. Iris family. Food time for Iris family. Super cute puppies. We love them all. Every dog needs a home. Iris is checking the area. She's protecting her family. Who is there? Charlie? Hey, beautiful mama. If you want to adopt any of them, send us a message, please.